Okay, for step 2, if you got like severe holes in your surround, such as I do, I'm using a product called Seal All. What we will do is lightly, if I get this off, alright, gently, you don't need a lot, and I just put a little dab on there, gently, because you want to try and get this to match the contour or the surround. On this side, I'm going to try and get down to that hole. Need to make a new box anyway, so eat it. Alright. Let that dry for a little bit. Then go back through and inspect. See if there's any divots, any little holes that you may have missed. Because you want this to closely resemble how it was, how it should be, like perfect contour. Inspect your surround, see if there's anything you possibly could have missed before you go ahead and spray your undercoating on it. And so far we're looking pretty good here. Trying to get this see if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm actually trying to work this so electrical tape I have on here, that way this still has that ring around it. So if you don't get this just right, you're fucked. And run this through. That way, now your clearance is still good. Now this side was the more severe side. And it looks like you're good here. You don't want anything to get on that surround and get it hung up, or it's just going to tear itself apart. I'm using the back of the blade, the dull side, just to check all my clearance. And I'm happy with that. Alright, that's step 2. Step 3 will be outside where I'm going to spray it. Going to let that cure for a couple minutes. And I'll meet you out there.